What's going on, everyone? Jacob all here, and I've got one of the best hose I know, 5StarTool. This is actually a 100-foot hose in this little bag, and I'm going to show you what I like to do with my hose. Hello, everyone. I am the Jacob all, and today I've got for you a neat hose, but not a regular hose. It's an expanding hose. This whole hose is fitting in this little bag. Let's go ahead and see it work. All right, so let's take it out. Oh no. Oh, I've made a mess. What am I gonna do? All right, let's take it over to the spigot. Okay, here we go. And we're gonna hook it up. Oh, this will be hard. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. All right, now it's tight. Now look at the hose. Now what you wanna do is make sure the end of it's closed. The end of it's closed. Okay, yep, closed. All right, good job. Nope, that's okay. Now we're gonna turn the hose on. We're gonna set it down and watch it expand. This is gonna be amazing. It's growing like a snake. This hose is crazy. What am I gonna do with it? Let's go ahead and let it expand. All right, let's go ahead and try to water some stuff. Now don't look at it. Let's take it over to what we wanna water. We're gonna gently open it. All right, now don't look at it and gently open it. Okay, now let's water our elephant ears. Okay, let's water something else. All right, now that we're done watering this elephant ear, let's water some other plants. Gonna stretch it over here. Look at how long this little hose can be. All right, now let's water what we need to water. You know what the cool thing about this hose is? Look at this. Even with it pinched, it's still working. I've got it pinched. I'm gonna make even more. Look at that, it's still working. Crazy hose. All right, so everyone's happy and fed with lots of water. Time to turn it off and let's put the hose away. Well, this is pretty easy. What we gotta do is set this down nice and neat. Now we gotta turn the water. No. Let's turn the water off. Okay, all the way. Righty-tighty. Okay, real tight. Now we're gonna grab the end. Here we go. Now we're gonna aim it at the plants. We're gonna turn it on. Look at it shrink. Oh my gosh, it's shrinking. Oh, it's shrinking. Oh, look at me go. That big hose is gonna turn back into a little hose. This is amazing. Goodbye, hose. It was nice knowing you. But we're gonna just put it back in its tiny little bag. All right, there it is in the bag. That big hose, that really long hose stretched all the way across the yard and now is back in this cute little bag. This is nice. I can't wait to use it for all my watering needs. See ya, Jacob all out. Thanks, Penny, that was hilarious. All right, no, seriously though, this is a 100-foot hose. This is one of those expanding snake hoses, whatever, right? And it's pretty sweet. So these ends are pretty serious. They've got this good grommet here so that it won't kink at the point where it attaches to the fitting. They have it on both sides. It's expandable. As soon as I hook pressure up to this and turn it on, this hose is gonna expand. We're gonna go ahead and try it out on Clean and Jake's girl's car and see how it does. Well, that was fun. Probably gonna get in trouble because, as you saw, I stopped washing Jake's girl's car to wash the Pactor. But if you guys didn't see in that video, I had problems with this kinking, but not this. But now that I'm done, all I have to do is turn it off, and we'll watch it put itself away. But as you can see by some of those clips, one of the best things about this is that it's really hard for it to kink. I've wrapped this over on the Penny's video, closed it over on itself, and it still flows. Plus, putting it away is really easy. So really, all we want to do is see if it stands the test of time. And so far, it did a great job. So we'll just make sure that it stands the test of time. I'll report back in another video. But so far, I like it. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off, and I'm going to put this hose in the house. So I'm the Jacob. It's time for me to get out of here. Thanks for watching.